Alright, let's roll. Quit putting me in a bad mood.
Yeah, I think
3, 2, 1.
I'm filming right now.
Alright. So, big purple dumpster, unhappy motherfucker in the front because he don't get his way. And I like him for it. Because if I direct that frustration, then he does good work. We got a lot of trash to pull out. I want to do the outside first. I don't think that little short dumpster is going to last very long. Take a look at the inside. I do not think that will last very long. So we're going to do the outside sheds, which are a lot of stuff. See the stuff in the sheds? It is my goal to try to clean this place up and come out with a little bit so I can sell and get rid of and use myself. So you're going to see as we go along. And here we go. I don't need rocks. You want these rocks?
Nope.
Not gonna need a baby gate. Hey, we got a dustpan. Hey, look here. This thing. Didn't use it, but there's this one.